Hey, good evening, everybody. 80 degrees today. Was a nice day today. Pretty much where we thought we would be. A little onshore wind action, nothing super strong for us. So the high pressure area breaking down to the east. We do have red flag warnings that continue all the way out from Vegas down towards Arizona. You can see it there if you're heading out that way. Be careful. More marine layer tonight. Again, we're in this pattern. So we'll thicken it up a little bit tomorrow. It'll burn off about the same part. Same through Thursday night into Friday morning. We'll see the same thing as we go to the weekend. So just ebbing and flowing on the temperatures a little bit. There comes a low pressure area just slipping in right there out of the Pacific Northwest down to the south. We'll keep an eye on that for you over the next couple of days. Until the latter part of next week, that's when we might see some more high pressure begin to build in through the area. Here's a look at the 7-day, pretty consistent if nothing else, just little up and downs here's and there. That's about it. Valleys come down a little bit, no problems there. High deserts, one pop on Saturday, then back down below those triple-digit degrees as well. It'll be hot Saturday and Sunday up there. Have a good evening. See you tonight at 11.